I think there are three steps that need to be done. First of all, the parents who of boys, they need to raise better boys. The problem in India is it's a very patriarchal system, and men don't understand simple terms such as consent unless they belong to the urban elite. So this has to trickle down. Sex education has to be made mandatory across all the schools across the country, so that men understand that when they're boys, they understand what consent means. What right now we find that most men use women's bodies as sites of violence, and this way of thinking is very counterproductive to our country, to the women of our nation. And the other thing, of course, is the legal system. As I mentioned earlier, we need stricter laws. We need to send a resounding message to all potential rapists in our country that enough is enough. And I think every woman, I tell her this, we have spent our entire lives teaching other women how to save themselves, how to protect themselves. I have two little girls, and that's all I'm teaching them. And I'm tired of it. I'm tired of this narrative, and something's got to change. But the fact is, the women of our country are alone. We have to fend for ourselves. There is no one coming to save us. So learn self defense, carry pepper sprays wherever you can. And to the men of the country, I say, please do not allow even casual remarks of sexism to fly by. If you see molestation taking place on the streets, please stand up for the women. Be an ally to gender justice, because patriarchy has been unjust to both genders, both men as well as women, and it's time something changed that.